Yo,
Alright,
what
tell me
is
when
up,
you're ready.
guys? Animal Company YouTube video #1. This is the first one, and we're gonna go to sewers. We're gonna yap about the new update and just have a good time. We just did go to sewers to get some money, but anyway, my co-worker here, Mason, my cousin, talk to the camera.
Yo, what's up, guys?
We're about to get hype in here. What's it? Okay, hey, in the comments, I want you guys to say whose
All
fit
right.
is better. Here, hey, whose fit is better? We're gonna
Show the mirror. Show the mirror.
You guys see the mirror? We got black with the sunnies and the AC jacket. We got this little buffoon over here. All right, so we're gonna just go ahead get the kit for today.
All right, so we're gonna go through what you need to do a sewer run. So what I have on my back is the essentials for what you're gonna need. Here,
Well,
can we aim
a
the
lot of
camera
money.
towards it?
All right, here.
So I'm gonna show you everything. We have our backpack of choice. And then we got a grappler to move around better. This is gonna come in handy when we have to teleport back here. So we're just gonna keep that on our hip slot.
Yeah, I need to go.
And we have
grab
our pickaxe of choice. Doesn't matter which one. You can take more than one light, and you can take a mega, but the new update's kind of making me broke.
one. Yes, sir.
11,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we're trying to make a bunch of money back.
So yeah, we're gonna go to sewers and then we're gonna while we're in sewers. All right. Here's the POV camera. We're just gonna go ahead. This is sewers over here. This is the beautiful sewers.
This is how you
Usually-
go to sewers.
And yeah, we usually didn't make that much money over here. Like we used to just hate coming down here, but I decided that maybe we should do this one day. And look at us. There's a flashlight down here. Yeah, there's a flashlight down there. So Mason has it.
Here, we got an angle right there.
Go right here. Yeah, that's Baney. AK assist. Here. Go, Mason. Am I cooked?
I died. Yo. Larson. Larson.
Yo. You see it anywhere? It should be like
Probably where you
following me.
died.
Yeah, it is. No, here it is, here it is, here it is. I found it. I'm just gonna get all my stuff back.
Where are you at?
Yo, the chicken's eating me.
I know.
Alright, so sorry about that. Alright, we just gotta go, Stop, stop, stop! That's a flashbang. My phone's at 10%, so we might be cooked, chat. Go, stop, 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 stop! Good. Here's my stuff. Are you serious?
Here, I'll revive you.
Yeah, good boy.
Where's my stuff? Oh, here it is.
Revive me now.
I-
Before my phone dies. My phone's about to die, stupid. You don't have time. Revive me, I'm right here. I'm above you.
Swim
Yeah, let me
down.
swim down. Okay,
How did you just die?
I touched Brady. I don't know where my grappler is. And
It's
kinda
fine here.
over there. Give me. Hurry up. My camera.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there's a light over here.
Do I have my backpack? I don't even have my backpack.
Wait, I think it's all back there. So that,
Oh, yeah, stop. Don't go. Yeah, that right there. That right there is red light, green light. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go POV cam.
alright, it's a clear shot.
Go. Shoot. I'm cooked.
I'm in.
Alright, we're through. If we get to parkour, we're just gonna yap. Never get stuck in there. Just saying.
We've done it before.
Yeah, we've done it before and we got cooked. Alright,
It was like, how long ago?
Alright, Mason, we're gonna yap when we do parkour. So yeah, this is the parkour. And we're
Hey,
like
didn't
kind
know
of pros at
grapple.
this. Yeah, we barely need grapplers for this, even though I almost just fell off. Mason,
I just overshot that.
yo, hey Mason, what do you rate this game?
7. Actually,
You
no,
rated it a
8.
7?
An 8 out of
Said
10.
8?
Where are you at? 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
There's Echo.
Yeah, I know. I rate this a 9. It's a great game. Love it.
I'd say we
You
go
gotta see
into
this.
Haunted Mansion after this, and we're gonna show them girlfriend.
Well, I might have... My phone might die, so...
It's fine.
After we do this, we're just gonna... turn off lights, because... girlfriend's in here. You guys are going back to POV cam. Yeah. Okay, it should be good.
I don't even have my camera on anymore.
Yeah, I know, because you're a bum. Alright, jump! Okay, this is the second tunnel. Just gotta send it. We just gotta send it. Where is it? Right here. So yeah, this is where you go.
Get out.
Bombs, flashbangs. I'm already through. So
I
yeah, this
am.
is the...
Come
This is where the goated spots are.
on.
This is like the best of the best spots. Okay, my light's gonna go back on. And I'm just gonna like, throw it like that. Okay. Wait, Mason, try to keep my light.
Keep what?
My light. Yeah, I'm keeping it
Oh
up.
yeah, we can use it for anglers.
So yeah, this is uranium. I say we just save and quit, but not for the video.
We have to show them how to do it.
Yeah, like we're pros at it, bro.
What?
Like we've never died doing that before.
It doesn't matter.
Alright, we got this one. So yeah, all this stuff right here is uranium. It is super expensive
Hey,
in the
when
game.
is this video coming out? By the way, this is posted on a Thursday. Well, this is filmed on a Thursday.
Mason, they cannot hear you. Yeah, right there's uranium. I'm just gonna go like this. Reach. Don't touch me. You guys already know. It's a one-shot kill. But I probably got too close there and it was probably awkward. You guys have. Do you guys want POV? This is what it looks like down there. So you'll see. Okay, you killed it. That's uranium right there. Don't touch this stuff. You can kill it though. And then this purple. You guys on there? Research ones. Okay, if I get one. These drop boxes. These one taps. I didn't get a single piece of uranium. Let's see if we can find a good spawn over here. And yeah, Angler can come up here if you guys know who Angler is. I want you guys to comment if you guys have played this game and what your favorite Animal Company experience was. Either if it's a map or monster or whatever, you know. You guys watch this at all. I'd really like to get the 50 subs by next year. My phone's about to die. So is my headset. Wait, is my it's really plugged in. Oh, there's another piece over there. Just go ahead and grab one. And go here. I'm gonna grab you guys now. Once we get a full backpack, let me head to one of the easiest spots to hide in the whole game. Let me just in here, and I can't even grab. My headset strap is broken right now, so I'm kinda trapped. So yeah, but we do have this grappler that we're using, so yeah, we're just gonna be yapping. The new update is a very expensive one. Very expensive. It's expensive, and I don't like it. That's why we're doing sewers. Because poor. Let me grab this.
I'm almost full.
Yeah, I'm like halfway. Over halfway.
Halfway.
No, I'm over halfway.
Yo, chill out, bro.
No, no, no.
I got you.
Can you grab my grappler? Come revive me. I'm down here. Pretty much on my go. Oh, you almost just touched that. I need you to get my grappler.
I don't touch. Where's your grappler? What were you grappled to?
On that on that blue box. Then I'll just go down.
Your camera too.
Yeah, can you grab that? Possibly. Actually, I can grab it if you just get my grappler. Just
The
get my
grappler is impossible to get. There's nothing connected to it.
And just grab it, you stupid.
I'm trying. Dude, hanging down? It's just not there.
What? Are you
Here,
high?
use this. Use this. Actually, no, you
Oh.
can get it.
You
Oh
almost just
my!
saw that. Man, I need to like control myself. Okay, I'm going down. Come here, Mason.
You gotta
I
grab
need
that
your grappler.
camera.
Yeah, give me your grappler. You almost just touched him. Sorry guys, I didn't. Give me your grappler. Give me your grappler. Let me just get full.
Maybe I
and
can have
then-
a grappler from this box. Nope, not shredder.
I died. Good boy.
You're selling the clip right now.
Yeah, I am selling right now, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. Where's the cam? Dude, I hate maneuvering in here.
It's on that wire.
Yo, what? Guys, I want you to look at this. I think I'm cooked. I just can't. You see this? That grappler's gone.
Yeah, I need that grappler back, bro.
Here, I'm just gonna grab this uranium. Mason's like wanting his grappler back. I'm practically full.
Come back to me.
Where are you?
Same spot you died.
Where? Oh, here. I'm just gonna yap now as Mason fills up. Wait,
I'm already.
I just realized. How am I gonna get back?
Or we're gonna save him. Actually,
Yeah. So I'll just tell you guys about the teleporter. Let me
no,
just
no, no.
turn
I'll
off
tell you
my
what we're
light.
gonna do. We're gonna
What are we
open
gonna
every
do?
single one of these purple boxes. You know, like the ones that are hard to break. And just hope to get a
I don't have
grappler.
time for that.
And I lost my pickaxe.
It's
I'm gonna
fine. We'll
save
just
and
save and
quit.
quit. We're gonna save and quit. Right? Okay, we're gonna save and quit. We'll be right back.
What code are you trying to get? Yo, what's up? We're back.
Yeah, we're back. So what
Now
gonna
we're
do-
going to the other selling machine.
I don't have a grappler, stupid.
No. Yo,
So,
why
yeah,
are we
kinda
talking
heavy.
like this on a YouTube video?
I don't know. But this is a secret, Mason. Don't tell your parents or your brothers. Okay? Okay? Yes? No? Mason, I found something.
What'd you find?
Oh, I'll tell you in a second. Leave. Please, leave.
Hey.
Mason, I found my grappler. It was in my backpack the whole time.
So dumb.
That's not my fault. I didn't know that. We're missing a piece. Alright, so if you guys don't know how this machine works, you just go ahead,
This thing.
press the buttons.
I wish I could be a cameraman.
What?
Wish I could be your
Yeah, and then you sell.
10.
And that was
call it
not
10.
that's good.
Nine
That's
five.
pretty good. Okay, I'm at 13,000 now.
We're gonna
I'm gonna
go
go
to Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, hang on.
Actually,
We're
no,
just
let's
gonna
just go in the woods. Let's just go in the forest.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you all the monsters. So there's spiders in the caves. We'll show you that later. But we're good. Let's go to forest. Yeah, forest. I'll step on the
You don't
mines
have
because they
light.
will kill you. Like these will. I don't have a light. Okay, I don't have a light. It's fine. Don't step on the mines. They will kill you. I literally almost just died. So when you're in the forest, grapple up. I don't know the new route. They added a lot more trees.
Oh my god.
So yeah, down here I think.
This is deep dark.
It's pretty dark, but yeah. You guys already know.
So we're gonna try to find. We have ogre right here.
So yeah, we got red light, green light. We got ogre over there. Where's angler? Anglers are op. Anglers and op.
Found an angle over
Nice.
here. Back here.
And yeah, angler is right there. See that blue light? Yeah, there you go. There's
Him right
tweaking.
there.
There's tweaking. Real up control angler. Okay, now we gotta find Haunted Mansion. I think I found it. Yeah, I found it. Turn your light off. Turn your light off. Right there. Good boy. Okay, so yeah, Angler can come in here so I can Angler. So yeah, this is Haunted Mansion. Mason, go to the fireplace and turn your light on. We'll show them which. Yeah, so girlfriend, aka witch. She's my girlfriend. I'll have to take the word from you. Wait, what? Wait, Mason,
What?
flash your light. Yeah, she's right there. Do it. Right there. Do it again.
See this, guys?
It's my girlfriend. Here, I'm gonna give her a kiss. Do it. Love you. Okay. I say we go back and then
No.
close. All right, let's go.
Caves.
No. We don't go to caves. We're not going to caves. You scared me. I thought you were like Coda. Yeah, Coda is another monster in sewers. We just didn't
Bro,
run
can you
into it.
leave? Oh, I'll actually leave.
Alright, we gotta get out of here.
There, to the right.
Wait, that's how you guys leave. I don't know which way to go. Found it. Ogre likes to hang out down there. But yeah. Wait, what? There's a barrier. Oh, never mind.
Wait, stop real fast.
Go on this fan. Kabang. So yeah, the new update. There's the moon up there. We'll go over there later. But let's check out the new update. That's good, right? We're gonna scare Mason. This scares him like crazy. He's gonna die. Yeah, so you just get a revolver. Then they, bunch of zombies come, and you can just go like this. And I gotta restart it. I know they all die. But yeah, that's a new update, guys. Come back to spawn, Mason.
Yo.
We're gonna close. So this
Alright.
is first video, guys. And hope you guys liked it. See ya.